Well, there you go. I got her all on. Missing one fog light, obviously, because I didn't have that side of the bumper, so I'm going to have to get one of those. But I don't think she's looking too bad. Looks like complete truck. The blacks are a little different from the side skirts, but I don't think I'm going to paint it. Let me know what you think. I say it looks good as is. Gives her that tough look. My little crack, I'm going to have to live with, I guess. You can see it right here. Not too happy about that, but what can you do? I'm 700 miles north of nowhere, so I'm lucky it got here in that good a shape. But I did put in a complaint. Maybe they'll give me back some money. We'll see. See how it goes. See if I can recommend Partify or not again. Have a good day.